Hi guys, I've been programming on the ArcoLinux tweak tool and I need a break, right? I told in the other video that Lara Croft Go is actually not that bad if you got small children, and it's actually more a kind of puzzle or labyrinth or something like that. And it's without violence, it's safe to just give them. And I've been playing a little bit while the other machine was scripting and doing things. I rolled over, you know, in this chair, right? And I rolled over and I just tried to solve this thing. So you can, it's not with the keyboards, so even easier for small children, right? So I'm thinking 6, 8, 9 years old. All they need is a mouse, and you drag her to the place you want to go. You go like this and make some nice moves as well. But you can't confront, first it's a snake, now it's this lizard. You can't confront them at the front, so they'll bite you. So I can't go in here, but I can do this. So it's, how do I avoid the mouth? And nope, lizards can't climb. I had to be sure, right? Now if I go in here, it's gonna break. And it's fun. Aha, they can climb. And they are following. And yes, okay. And now we go up here. Up here. Let's see what happens if I click this. We get that. I guess I'm now stuck, you see? So up, and he bites me in. Bada. A goner. So it's really is a labyrinth, but it's like level 10 or something. I don't know how many levels I've played already, but it gets more and more complex and maybe more and more frustrating for 5-year-olds, 6-year-olds. So you do need, there's also an hint which I can tell you. So use hint, let's show that. So you don't have to think, you just have to follow a red line. It's not as much fun, but sometimes, you know me, right? I get frustrated because I die, and then the 10th time I'm dead, and then, you know, I should cross the hole. I should cross the hole. Okay, fine. So over it is no problem, but next time I go over it, then, that's the idea. The lizard goes in there. So that's how you do it, right? Okay. I could have come up with that afterwards, right? Easy to say afterwards. Oh. So if I need to grab this spear, if I have it, I can use it. Problem is, if I go that way, he'll bite. So obviously I need to go here. But I could have gone, this guy could have gone that way, right? But he didn't. And it could have gone that way as well, but maybe the stone here is the indicator. I don't know. So that's brain things, right? Here you have a hole, so he'll climb and he'll fall into it. No, he falls from it. Okay. Doesn't see me. So the idea is he's looking at the wall and doesn't see me. And now he should see me. No. And now I can kill him if probably I will have to follow the red lines now. I would have gone here and kill him, but apparently I need the spear to kill this guy. He's watching the wall, so no problem there. It's fun, right? Graphics are nice, they really are. Well, for me anyway, I kind of like this, not too much detail kind of thing. Let's do one more without help. See if I can. So there's kind of a hole in there. There's a lever down here, another lever here. Okay. Let's see what that lever does. It means that goes up. There's another lever there. Why is this thing here, you think then, right? Why is this thing here? If I go up here, he's in action. What does this thing do? That takes me down. I'm back up. Problem is, I'm already dead. Oh. Oh. And I never done this one. What happens? I can't push her into oblivion. Well, let's follow the reasoning of maybe the computer guys, right? Why they put this thing here? Well, to use it, I suppose. And then what? Maybe I should go put this back on. I'm so stuck again. Yeah, I know. I go up there. This guy's awake. Now what? I should keep this up, so when he's up here, I make sure he's down. Got it? Have to make him. I should trap him in the hole there. Wow, I came up with that myself. Wow. Ooh, here's bait. Oh yeah, it's too soon. It's too soon. Okay, but murdered me again. Bastards. No profanity allowed. Profanity buzzer. Have a look at IT crowd. I should have been the other way around. I should have gone that way. I should have followed. Maybe he'll follow. It needs to be on that spot. Now that's cool. Thank you for going on there. That still worked out. Ta-da-da-da. Eric has a brain. Well, yeah, just not for gaming. It's not finished yet. They flash if I can throw at them. So I guess I need to go here. Move the lizard. Sliding. Oh my god. Ah, I should kill it, I guess. Let's have a look. No. What if we did we did a peekaboo? Peekaboo. No, then I'm dead. Alright. Time to program again. Back to the ArcoLinux tweak tool. So guys, have fun. Maybe you have small children. I think it's actually not that bad. Needless to say, it's actually good. But you choose. Cheers.